The Worldwide Organization for Oil Exportation says it's cutting production by 100,000 barrels next month. Lauren?
Yeah, so this grabbed some headlines, but we wanted to look at how much of an impact this will really have. OPEC says right now they produce an average of 28 million barrels per day. Now, each one of these barrels on the screen represents 100,000, really showing the amount that's being cut. You see the one green barrel in the middle. So looking at all of this, you would think the impact may be minimal. But ABC Action News reporter Jada Williams explains the announcement is already helping your wallet and more savings may follow.
It's a pinch we felt for so long, drivers say they're used to it by now.
I think everyone's just trying to find a new normal and kind of balance between what we used to do and what we kind of have to do now.
But brighter days are ahead. Gas is averaging $3.52 a gallon. It peaked June 13th of this year at $4.89. And we're still above 2021's high, $3.31. AAA spokesperson Mark Jenkins says that could change.
We're fast forwarding into the fall and winter months when there's traditionally less demand for fuel. And now there's a lot of concerns in the industry about the potential for a global recession and how that could contribute to even lower demand.
Meanwhile, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries announced beginning in October, it'll cut global output by 100,000 barrels per day. The first production cut in more than a year.
Overnight, it seemed like it was, causing oil prices to increase by a couple of dollars, but those gains have been erased mostly throughout the day today. So it appears as though the energy market has digested this information and is basically just shrugging it off.
Florida Gulf Coast University economics professor Victor Clark says OPEC's decision is an effort to stabilize falling prices.
If they want that price to rise, they release less. And if they want that price to fall, they release more. So the 100,000 number sounds like a big number, but actually in terms of the global market, it's not that much.
Clark says those falling gas prices we're seeing could create an economic domino effect.
Given that most of the things that we buy in person or have delivered to our houses require oil or gasoline at some point along that supply chain.
But Jenkins says don't celebrate the future of oil prices too much.
I think it's important to know that this is very much a volatile market. It's changing every single day. So it is really hard to develop long-term expectations on what prices are going to be down the road.
In Tampa, Jada Williams, ABC Action News.